Hey writers, it's time for handwriting. Let's get out our handwriting book. And today we're going to turn to page 22. We have 4 letters we're going to practice today. So get that pencil ready and sharpened and join me when you have your handwriting book and a pencil. All right, let's take a look and see what letters we're going to practice today. So here on page 22, we're going to start with the letter U and S. We're going to practice uppercase U, lowercase u, uppercase S, lowercase s. So to form these letters correctly, you'll notice for the U and S, we only have one stroke of our pencil. So we never pick up our pencil when we're doing the U. We're going to start at the midline, pull down straight, curve forward, push up, pull down. For the uppercase U, we're going to pull down straight, curve forward, push up. Let's practice our U. All right, once you have traced your U's, go ahead and pause this video. Take some time to do your lowercase u and uppercase U. You're also going to practice writing the word under and up right below those words. Pause this video while you take some time to do your handwriting too. Now remember, it's not about being the first one finished. It's about taking your time and forming those letters the right way. When you're ready, come back and let's practice the letter S. Okay, thanks for coming back to join me for our next letter. Now that you have all of your U's finished, it's time for S. Also, did you make sure you practice those U's on your own? Circling your best U, going all the way across to that stop sign. All right, letter S. We're going to circle back, curve forward. One swoop of our pencil, circle back and curve forward. As we do this, you notice they look the same. One stops at that middle line, whereas the uppercase S goes between the blue line and red line. So we want to make sure we really take our time on these to show the difference. Lowercase s. Oh, my pencil broke. Let's try that again. Lowercase s. Practice some on your own. All the way to the stop sign. Circling your best. Then try your uppercase. Try some on your own. Now remember that uppercase S is all the way at that blue line down to the red line. Circling your best. And last but not least, practicing sunset and shine. Now, pause this video while you finish your letter S, uppercase, lowercase, practice tracing and on your own, as well as those words. All right, now it's time to practice writing words. Time to write sparkle, clouds, sunlight, then a sentence. Usually, I see many stars. Starting your sentence with that uppercase U, everything else is lowercase, except for that I, because we know I is always uppercase when it's by itself. And then we've got stars twinkle in the sky. Practice writing your sentence below. Then give me a sentence of your own. Write a sentence about what you see in the sky. Pause this video while you complete page 23. When you're ready, come back and we'll do the next page together too. All right, thanks for coming back to join me again for page 24. The other 2 letters we're going to practice today are letter B and letter P. So for our letter B, we're going to start at that top line. We're going to pull straight down, then push up, circle around. Let's try that. Pull down, push up, circle around. Pull down, push up, circle around. Pull down, push up, circle around, and so on. Try some of those on your own. Then it's time for our uppercase B. We're going to pull down, Pick up, back to the top, slide right, curve forward, slide right, curve forward, slide left. Practice tracing. Slide down, forward, curve. And some on your own. Once you've made it all the way to that check mark, practice writing baseball and bat. Pause this video while you finish your B's. Okay, now it's time for the letter P. We're gonna pull down, push up and around. We never pick up our pencil for the P, the lowercase p. For uppercase P, I'm gonna go straight down. This time I'm gonna pick up back to the top, slide right, forward, slide left. All right, lowercase p, my pencil stays on the page. I'm not picking it back up. Trace all the way across. Practice some on your own, making sure that lowercase p goes below that red line all the way across. Trace your uppercase P. Draw some on your own. And then practice the word picture and plate. Pause this video while you finish everything on page 24. Okay, writers, we've got one last page to complete together. We've got the words ball game, bases, playing. Let's practice writing each of those words below on the dotted lines using your best second grade handwriting. Baseball is my best sport. Write your sentence. Pitching is easy for me. Write the sentence. Now come up with your own. Write a sentence about a sport you like. If I was to write a sentence here, I would probably write, I love to play soccer and baseball. That's my sentence. Come up with your own and tell me what your favorite sport is, or what sport do you like to play? Okay, writers, that is the end of our writing. So please make sure you have completed all of those pages, page 22, page 23, 24, and 25 for your handwriting today. If you need to wiggle those fingers when you're done, I know that your hands may feel a little tired, but great job getting through and finishing all of those handwriting pages with us today. Great job, writers.